What's going on YouTube? Aussie Wrestling Fan here, back with another WWE DVD unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed my debut episode of a WWE DVD unboxing, and just want to let you guys know that part 1 of my WWE DVD collection is currently up on YouTube, so don't forget to check that out. So today here I've got 3 parcels from Amazon, which we will be unboxing here today. Part 2 of my DVD collection should be up tomorrow. So let's kick this off. First parcel. Summerslam 2016. Next. Summerslam 2019. Up next, Extreme Rules 2018. Slowly building up my WWE DVD collection. As I said, I stopped collecting in about 2014, so I've got a lot to catch up on. And I will be doing more DVD collection videos later on down the line. So up next is the double feature of No Mercy Hell in a Cell 2017. Up next, Extreme Rules 2019. Followed by Royal Rumble 2017. If I haven't already said it, and if I have, I do apologise if I'm repeating myself. I will be putting up part 2, so that should be live hopefully tomorrow if I get around to filming it. Up next, Royal Rumble 2018. Last one in the bag. If I can get it out, it's a tricky one. Survivor Series 2017. Last package. Best of NXT 2017. Up next, WrestleMania 2019. I don't know why they dropped the 30, 31, 32. I've got no idea why they would do that. I don't even know what number we're up to anymore. So there you go, WrestleMania 2019. Best pay-per-view matches 2018. Money in the Bank 2019. WrestleMania 2020. And last but not least, Money in the Bank 2018. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.